Welcome to Lumicore Labs. This is day one of our complete Python journey. If you have never written a single line of code in your life, don't worry. You are in the right place. In this video, we are going to do three things. First, we will install Python on your computer. Second, we will set up Visual Studio Code as our code editor. And third, we will write and run our very first Python program together. By the end of this video, you will see the words Hello Lumicore Labs on your screen. Let's begin. First, we need to install Python on your system. Open your web browser and go to python.org. This is the official website and the only place you should ever download Python from. Hover over the Downloads tab. The website will automatically detect that you are on Windows and suggest the latest stable version. Click the yellow download button and wait a few seconds. Once the download is complete, click on the file to run the installer. Now, this next part is extremely important. Please do not just click Install Now and move on. I want you to look at the bottom of this window. You see this checkbox that says Add Python.exe to path? You must check this box. This is the number one mistake beginners make. If you skip this step, Python will not work properly from the terminal, and you will get errors later. So check that box, then click Install Now. The installation will take about a minute. Python is now on your computer, but how do we know for sure? Let's verify that Python installed correctly. Open your terminal. On Windows, you can just search for Command Prompt or PowerShell. Once it's open, type the following command exactly as you see it on screen, Python -- version. Then hit Enter. If you see a version number like this, congratulations. Python is successfully installed and your computer knows where to find it. You have officially passed the first checkpoint. Now we need a place to actually write our code. Technically, you could write Python code in Notepad, but that would be painful. We need a proper code editor. I recommend Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short. It's completely free, it's lightweight, and it's used by professional developers all over the world. Go to code.visualstudio.com and click the download button for Windows. Run the installer. You can just accept all the default settings and click through the steps. It's very straightforward. Once it's finished, launch Visual Studio Code. This is our digital workshop. This is where the magic happens. Let's create our first Python project. Go to File and then Open Folder. I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop called Lumicore_Python. This folder will hold all of our code for this series. Once the folder is open, click the new file icon and name it day1.py. The .py extension is very important. It tells VS Code that this is a Python file, which enables syntax highlighting and other helpful features. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Inside this empty file, type the following line. Print, that's print, followed by an opening parenthesis. Inside double quotation marks, write Hello Lumicore Labs. Then close the quotation marks and the parenthesis. This line of code is called a print statement. The print function tells Python to display something on the screen. To run this code, click the small play button in the top right corner of the editor. And look at that. Right there in the terminal, you see the words Hello Lumicore Labs. Congratulations. You just wrote and executed your very first Python program. Take a moment to appreciate this. You are now officially a programmer. Let's quickly understand what just happened because understanding is more important than just copying. Print is a built-in function in Python. A function is like a mini program that does one specific job. The job of print is to show text on the screen. The text inside the quotation marks is called a string. In programming, a string is just a sequence of characters. Python reads your code from top to bottom, line by line, and executes it. That's all there is to it. Here's a little trick to make learning stick. Try changing the text inside the quotation marks. Delete Hello Lumicore Labs and write anything you want. For example, I am learning Python with Lumicore Labs. Now run the code again. See how the output changed? This is the beauty of programming. You are in control. You tell the computer exactly what to do, and it listens. And that's it for day one. You installed Python, you set up VS Code, and you wrote your first line of code. That is a huge accomplishment. In the next video, we will dive into variables and data types, the fundamental building blocks of every program you will ever write. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Lumicore Labs so you don't miss day 2. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.